Hello friends, welcome to my channel. After so many days, it's raining in my place. When we see raining, we remember of two things. One being a little kid loving to get drenched in big hard rains. Has grown up, we think of hot beverages like coffee, tea, bhajia, samosas, etc. to eat. But actually, seeing this rain while drinking hot teas, I felt like doing DIY using my old chopping board which was unused. I felt like doing DIY something related to greenery and teacups. So this is what I made. So let's get started. I had this old wooden chopping board. To this I have painted acrylic black color. After painting the board, now I'm using this aluminium foil to make teacups. After folding the aluminium foil, I have taken the help of this bottle to get the shape of teacups. Excess of aluminium foil I cut from the made teacups to give it a good shape. Here I have used this Fevicryl's molded clay to cover aluminium foil cups. To get proper shape to these cups, apply powder on the bottle and press them on it so that the shape gets fixed. After drawing mehendi designs on the cup, I have pasted the cup on the chopping board. Even this leaf petals, I have made it from molded clay. Randomly I have taken the design. Sometimes the small coats kept in our workplaces, dining area, kitchen not only enhances the beauty of the decor but also gives motivation, positive vibes and sometimes immense joy to us. Now I am painting the clay art. Again I'm using clay to make branches and leaves. I'm making this leaves and tiny branches ready so that you can make proper shape out of clay and it can be pasted easily before the clay gets dried. After pasting all these branches and leaves, I am coloring leaves and branches with green acrylic color. To these leaves, I have given shading of yellow and white color to get natural look. Now this clay art on chopping board is ready. I have used it on my study table cum workplace as color pencil holder. You can even make bigger size cups or single big cup and use this art piece in your kitchen and dining area as spoon and fork holder, and even in your dressing table as makeup brush holder. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please do like, subscribe and also press the bell icon for the further notification of my channel.